Walking down the golden lane, shadows dance with every step I take. The sun dips low, a fiery frame, painted dreams in shades of rose and lake. In the sunset's gentle glow, heart feels light, my spirit flows. Moments stretch, time seems slow, lost in this evening show. Seems slow, lost in this evening show. In the sunset's gentle glow, heart feels light, my spirit flows. Moments stretch, time seems slow, lost in this evening show. In the sky so bright and blue, the wind gently brushes the boy's face through. The kite spins freely up above, a childhood dream soaring high with love. Sunlight bathes the old streets lane, laughter hides in time's crease and fold. The kite string winds up secrets untold, those beautiful moments never growing old. The kite flies across the sky, carrying our dreams never to die. Those beautiful times that faded away shine forever but it can't erase that innocent face. The promise of the kite, whispered in the breeze, will never be forgotten, like a memory of peace. The river of years flows quietly by, taking with it the noise and the sound. The kite draws a line across the light. A childhood dream still burning bright, hope scattered by the wind, blue again in the garden of the mind. In the quiet of the night, memories come flooding in. The scent of your perfume still lingers in the air. The ghost of what we were, the love that's left to share. The trumpets dance, tune plays, echoing through my mind. The dim light, the dinner smiles, moments we left behind. Every second feels like a dream, yet it's all too real to me.